Hi there, Matt Heffernan. Got another unboxing. Of course, hand modeling always comes before boxing. And what we got today is this, the 8-bit do Super Nintendo wireless controller. You can see here it has a little dongle and a very nice Super Famicom-ish looking controller that goes with it. So let's take a look. Now, 8-bit do is a company out of China, and they are making all sorts of fun retro stuff, like this controller. All right, let's take a look at the controller itself. Oh, it's got a nice weight to it. Ooh, we gotta peel off this little plastic bit here on the buttons. All right, buttons feel not bad. Not as nice as original Nintendo, but certainly better than a lot of other cheapies. So it looks good. You can see here it's got a micro USB connector there, so it must be a rechargeable battery. It looks like it is charged and ready to go. The little light is blinking, so I don't know if that's a sad blink or a please charge me blink. We'll find out soon enough. And then we've got in it said charging cable and the dongle. So dongle is just a standard Super Nintendo control and must have a little transmitter and antenna built into there. And while I don't have a Super Nintendo anymore, of course I've got the Commander X16 right here. So we're going to plug this into the SNES port on the X16. So now the X16, of course, has 2 SNES ports on it. We're going to plug it in to this one down here. All right. Now I can see the little blue LED, and that turns on when it's powered. And we'll see, and now we've got a steady blue LED on the controller itself. So let's see if we can get this to work. So of course, at the X16, we're going to want to get Chase Vault, because what else are we going to do? I know there's other games that I have on here, but of course Chase Vault is my first baby, and that's what I want to try it on first. Chaz Vault. Usually when I make an SD card, it's just CV. I know what CV is going to be. It's not going to be my resume. So, all right, load chazvault.prg and run. All right, so once it loads up, the big test is going to be, as I've always said, press start or enter to play. And usually that's the enter key on the keyboard, but I'm going to try the start button. Look at that. Yep, it totally works. At least the D-pad and the start button. Now, I don't use fire buttons in this game, but there we go. I have a wireless Super Nintendo controller for the Commander X16. And this is a really awkward way to play right now. I'm trying to do this on camera, but that's it. All right. So, yeah. Super Nintendo retro gamepad from 8-bit do. This is available on Amazon and lots of other places, and they've got a whole range of retro themed controllers and adapters and dongles and all sorts of fun stuff. So, yeah, give them a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.